Here are the 4 most important tools for every day trader. So it starts with 4 different categories. You need data, you need a broker, you need a journal, and you need a charting platform. So I'm going to start off with the data side. And what do I mean? I'm talking about analytics for your day trading. Where are you going to find out how often certain setups form and how well they perform? So edgeful.com is going to be the place where you go to get your data as a day trader. Right now, we have stocks, forex, crypto, and futures. We have every single ticker that you can trade. You can build your watch list to the side. We have over 100 reports that fit any trading style. Whether you're a scalper, day trader, or swing trader, we have something for you. This is perfect for prop firm traders. If you're trying to pass an eval, this is perfect because it's very curated towards day trading and scalping. We have reports on the initial balance, the gap fill, the orb, fair value gaps, engulfing candles, literally like anything you can think of, even reports around CPI, FOMC, reports for options traders around earnings. Whatever it is, we will tell you how often things happen. So in this case here, we're looking at the initial balance report on YM in the last 6 months. You can see that almost 70% of the time, price will break out of only one side of the initial balance. If you want to know what that means, scroll down over here on the report page. You're going to see this video. Every single report page has a video. It tells you exactly what the report does, how you can use it with chart examples. There's literally all the guidance you could possibly need. Once you get the hang of it, it's super easy. Literally everything you can do is right here on the sidebar. So next, I want to talk about brokers. I have no affiliation with NinjaTrader or Tradevate, but I know they have the best reviews. Again, this is not an affiliate or this is not a sponsored video from any of the other people that I'm going to talk about here. This is just about what I've heard from our users, what they like the most. So NinjaTrader is a fantastic platform that you can use to actually execute your trades. A broker is a place where you can actually click the buy and sell that routes your orders. That's where you have your money. That's where you have your trading account is going to be held inside of NinjaTrader or Tradevate. So I have a Mac, so I personally use Tradevate because I like to have the app. I can't use the NinjaTrader desktop app because it's PC only. So if you are a Mac user, you probably want to go with Tradevate. Now, in terms of journaling, the one that I've seen literally everybody use, this is like probably the staple across the entire trading platform. Umar and his team have done an incredible job building this platform, and this is called tradezella. This is, you pretty much connect your broker, whether you have a prop firm, whether you have a normal broker. This is the top of the line that you can go for. You can see all of the data you need around your trading. So you can see, I'm gonna like quickly scroll around this, but pretty much you want to be journaling your trades. You want to know what assets work best for you, what times work best for you, what's your actual P&L, and tradezella is going to be the place to do that. You can go and check them out. Then finally, charting. I think that TradingView is the king of charting. You can also connect your broker here, so you can actually execute your trades. You can actually buy and sell if you have Tradevate or NinjaTrader on TradingView. They are the king, in my opinion. This is not a fact. If you guys want to go and use anything else, you can. But I think the ease of use and the suite of tools that you get with TradingView is second to none. I personally don't see myself ever moving away from TradingView. They are the top of the line. And edgeful actually has 35 TradingView indicators that you can have right over here. So you can see these are all custom TradingView indicators that are curated to the reports, and they're included in your plan, which is great. So in this case here, you can see these blue boxes are outlining the New York session. So that is a custom private TradingView indicator that we have built that is part of your edgeful plan, but we have a ton of other stuff, and I'll show you really quickly. One of the favorites is the initial balance indicator. It automatically plots the initial balance high and low for you. So you can see right here, the initial balance high automatically, so you don't have to worry about doing it yourself. There's literally 35 other ones. We build more every day or every week actually. And those are the 4 most important tools that every day trader needs to have. So for your data, for your analytics, you need to go to edgeful.com. For your broker, you need to go to NinjaTrader or Tradevate. Charting is going to be for TradingView, and then the journal is going to be for tradezella. Those are the 4 really key important things that you need. Anything outside of that is going to be probably a Discord or a trading group or courses or whatever else, but these are the 4 evergreen things that you're going to need that if you don't have, you really can't be trading.